I know it's funny, but I like to think of me as Tim of all trades. Today I'm going to show you a cooking demo. Yay. First of all, the most important thing to do when you are cooking is to set the flame. We're just going to be cooking some eggs, so we don't need to have a huge flame on there, right? So make the flame probably, I don't know, barely. And then this is a cast iron skillet, so these get hot really fast and easy. So set the flame about, I don't know if you can see that, but not like too hot, because we're cooking eggs. You don't need too much heat. Okay, so I'm gonna let that get hot, and I'm gonna go over here. Sorry about my dirty sink. I just haven't been ambitious enough to do any dishes. I don't know. I don't want to. Right now, I'll do them. Because, I could go from doing yard work to doing housework to working on my car to vacuuming, whatever. Anyways. So, I like to soap up first. You just got to wash your hands really good. I like to do Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name while I'm washing my hands. That's like, I don't know how long it takes to do that, but you gotta wash your hands thoroughly. Because you're messing with food. You're making food, so you gotta have clean hands. Paper towels is a little bit more sanitary than probably a towel, a cloth towel. So anyway, that's that. Throw this paper towel away, and then I'll come over here where the magic's gonna take place. Oh yeah, I was gonna do eggs in the hole. That's when you take a piece of bread, tear a hole in the middle, put the egg in there. But I got a bunch of rice left over. So first, take some butter. That's what was left over. I'm not gonna slice it, I'm gonna use it all up. Gotta get some butter in there. See? Look at that. Look at that butter. Oh my gosh, it's melting. I need to get that. Where's that handle thing? Gosh darn it. Oh, here it is. See this? This is the handle right here. Don't want to burn myself because it'll hurt. So I'm just gonna let that butter, come on, get all over that pan. There you go. Just let that melt there for a minute. Want to find me my spatula. Find the metal spatula. The metal one. I can't find the metal one. Oh, it was used. Justification for washing dishes. Anyway, I'll use a plastic one. The metal, when you use cast iron, you can use plastic or a metal spatula. It doesn't really matter. But when you're using Teflon or cooking on Teflon, see all the scratches on this Teflon pan? See all the scratches on there? You probably can't, but if you can, that's from using a metal spatula on this, and it's not healthy for you. You're supposed to use plastic on a Teflon pan, because you don't want to ingest any of this. Not good. Well, that's melting. I guess if you want to watch butter melt, that'd be fun. But anyways, so I'm going to actually I want to use the metal spatula. So I'm going to wash it. So I'm going to swish this around like this. Put my rice I measured it out. This is a whole leftover thing of rice from dinner the other night. Oh, shoot. Put a little bit of salt on this and dry it off. It's just like when you work on a car. You gotta have the right tools. This spatula is the right tool for this job right here. It's sizzle nizzle and the grizzle bizzle. See? Like with everything in life, you're as good as the tools you have. Well, I guess some people could use crappy tools and still get the job done. But anyways. So, now I'm going to bust a couple eggs in here. The same measuring cup could be used for this. Big deal, you know. A couple of rice. The rice is cooked already. It's just you're frying it now. Make a breakfast fit for someone that's going to go work on the yard today. Put the eggs away. Grab a fork just to stir this up. See, metal fork you can still use in here. Not worried about getting any ingesting anything bad. It's iron. There you go. Put this in the sink. Put some soap in the dish. Because I'm going to be doing dishes pretty soon. And then it takes a few minutes. Got to stir this around, get the egg worked through the rice. It's pretty plain. There's no like bacon or sausage to go with it, but you know what? It's some nourishment to get me through the morning until lunch, you know? A lot of rice. So that's it, my egg and rice demo. Look at that. I mean, if I could get ambitious, I could put some soy sauce on it and it'll be just like fried rice that you would get at the Chinese place. Chinese food place. Let's see. Do I have some soy sauce? Yeah, put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce on there. Give it some color. Give it some flavor too. Ooh, probably put too much. That's how I could explain and say that I'm Tim of all trades, master of nothing. Oops, sorry about that. I wasn't even pointing at the pan right now. Sorry, that was kind of dorky. Anyways, it took maybe what, almost 10 minutes to make this meal.